And so that once you have it in desktop, it's quite easy to do the projects and videos. So what exactly first you have to do, you have to use this URL, CapCut.com tools desktop video editor. Once you've done it, then you click on here for the download for free. So once you click on the download for free, CapCut installer will be downloaded here. You just click on it, and so once you click on this installer, it will start installing the application stack as it is downloaded right now. So while this process is starting, you have to wait for a while, and like this, the CapCut desktop installer will start working, and we will be able to install. Because it's a big software, so it will take some time. So I'll just close it here because as I already have. Now what we can do, I will also show you how exactly you are going to do the process. See, once you click on this download section, it will go to this screen and it will download just like this installer. Now let's see how, in case of CapCut, we want to do some projects and join some videos. So we click on this area. On the top you will find it here. So many options are there: long video, shorts video. But for all this, the AI, and for this thing to be incorporated with the AI, you need to buy the AI credit, because as it's asking me join pro, because I'm not a member. So just simply how we can use it. So just click on it here. Once you click on it, you will see this screen completely where are the softwares and everything safe. Now click on import. Once I click on import, what we can do is this media we want to use it. So I'll select all at once and import all the media. So now we want to create a video for this one. So for doing that, you can just simply drag all the medias here one by one, and you can drag it with the size, how much you want to make it big. I want to make it a little bit small, this area. If you are new to CapCut, you can learn from this and just simply install, download it here, put it in this area. And it's also give you the option of proxy or auto reverse for the tuning. So like this, you can simply see that. It depends on the video length. You can also make it short by making like this, and it will show you the preview as well. I just scroll it over here, and if you want to play from the starting, from the how is it is going on, you can just simply click on this. Right now this is just the image, so it's coming over here. Now as the video is playing over here, so you can just pause it. Now there are so many options of audio, sticker, effect, like transition. What is the transition is when we coming up over here in the first section, just drag it here. Right now this is just the image. Okay, we are incorporated out over here, and then once we put it here, as you can see, this is just an image. But when we are with the image, what is happening, as you go, you see it's just coming randomly. So what we can do is we can have some transition over here. So it will download the transitions. Okay, click on it. Now download, drag the transitions over here, and don't remind me again. So when you're doing this option, it will ask you. So now again I go back over here and I click over here. So see how does it comes. The same way you can have multiple transition. You can see that how does it is coming. Now I will use this transition. You have to download as well, and then just drag it over here, and the transition will over here. So now if you start playing from the starting, it will go like this, you see. So once you are done with this, then you can proceed further, and then you can export it, and you can enjoy however the way you want the videos. So more things we can see it into upcoming videos. You click on the export over here. It's asking you to back to it, get discount and all these things. So back to edit. So for exporting and everything, you have to do it over here. There are several other softwares except the CapCut, so which can also be used by you, so that you can do the video editing, which is simple and which is bit cheap. You see my another video, in that I have explained about that Moabi video editor that is bit simple and quite cheap also compared to the CapCut. Also you can get the one-time license, and I also put the coupon which will give you a good discount in that. So see you guys in another video.